Hi, today's video is part 2 of my useful paste series. Having these Tandoori Paste or Green Masala paste in your refrigerator will help you immensely in making chicken tikka, tandoori vegetables or Hariyali paneer tikka on a regular basis. The pastes are extremely simple to prepare and keep well in the refrigerator or freezer. So let's get started. The Tandoori Masala paste first. Most store-bought tandoori powder and paste use artificial red food coloring. Use this recipe to get a glorious red paste using all natural ingredients. Most ingredients are readily available and you just need to grind them into a smooth paste, a piece of cake. This recipe makes a generic paste with a mild or moderate spice level. You can customize the hotness and color at the time of use. Green Masala paste. It can be used to make Hariyali paneer tikka or green chicken tikka and even the accompanying chutney. Really, green masala paste can be added to any gravy where you need a combination of fresh coriander, garlic and green chilies. Just grind these into a paste. The paste, however, will not keep in the refrigerator for more than 2 to 3 days. You can freeze it and store it as I have shown here. If you do not have enough space in your freezer, I have shown a way in which you can make the paste more robust for storing in the refrigerator. It will keep for 2 to 4 weeks in that case. That's all for today. Next, you can check out my paneer butter masala video, which has both the original and vegan recipes. I'm leaving you with a few glimpses of my future videos. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.